How to change payment account on Google Play. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your payment account on Google Play. Now the process is actually quite simple if you want to change your payment method or your payment account. Now in case you want to change your payment method, all you have to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from here you want to tap on the payments and subscriptions, and from here you want to tap on payment methods option, and here you'll be able to add a payment method or change your payment method. However, if you want to change your payment account, what you can do is you can switch your account. To do so, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and once you do so here, you'll be able to add another account. If you tap on the arrow icon there that you can see beside your username, you'll be able to see all your accounts. In my case, I have certain accounts here, so I can just switch it. But if you don't have it, if you have only one account and you want to switch it to another account, you can simply tap on add another account option, and you'll be able to add another account. And from there you'll be able to, once you switch into another account, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and once you have done that, you want to tap on the arrow icon there again, and once you do so, you can switch to any other Google account that you want to use as your payment account. So you want to simply tap on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to use it as your payment account, and whichever stuff you buy here, whichever items that you buy here, or games or purchases that you make here, will be paid through this particular account. So this way you can change payment account on Google Play. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.